In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment plan Google Workspace to annual plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to review, and what to expect when you switch from a flexible plan to an annual commitment. First, make sure you're signed in as a Google Workspace administrator with permission to manage billing. This process changes your contract terms, so it's important you have the right access and that you understand the commitment. An annual plan typically locks in a 1-year term with a fixed number of user licenses. You can add seats anytime, but you usually can't reduce them until renewal. Start by going to the Google Admin Console and sign in with your admin account. From the Admin Console homepage, look for the main navigation on the left. Open the Billing section. This area is where all your subscriptions, invoices, and payment settings live, and it's the hub for plan changes. Within Billing, select Subscriptions. You'll see a list of services tied to your organization. Locate your Google Workspace subscription, for example, Business Standard, and open it. If you manage multiple editions or trial services, be sure you're selecting the active subscription you intend to change. Inside the subscription details, find and select Change Payment Plan. Here, you'll be presented with options to move to an annual plan. Switching to an annual term often provides cost predictability and can come with savings compared to a flexible plan, but it also means your organization commits to paying for the selected number of licenses for the full term. Consider how many seats you actually need over the next year before proceeding. Next, choose Review Pricing Details. Take your time on this screen. Confirm the per-user price, the billing currency, applicable taxes, your commitment length, and the renewal date. If your region offers annual contracts billed monthly versus billed annually, this page will make that clear. You might also see prorated adjustments based on your current billing cycle. Reviewing these helps avoid surprises on the next invoice. When everything looks correct, select Checkout to finalize the change. You may be prompted to confirm your payment method and accept updated terms. Make sure your billing contact information and payment details are current so the switch completes smoothly. After checkout, the admin console will reflect the new annual plan, including the committed seat count and next billing date. That's it. You've moved your Google Workspace subscription to an annual plan. If your team grows, you can add licenses anytime. If you need to reduce seats or change plans, schedule that for your next renewal window. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your billing.